Kib69 here for Computex 2013 coverage for overclock.net. I'm here at Func, where they have some nice mice and keyboards that we can take a look at. And tell me, what am I looking at here?
You're looking at our first mechanical keyboard called the KB460. We launched it just like a couple of days ago here at Computex. We have equipped it with the red Cherry MX switches. What else can I say? We can remove maybe on some of the keycaps here.
That's good, I can zoom in. Oh, red, love it.
All of the keys has the mechanical switches, so we don't have any other kind of switches on it.
Okay.
Yep.
That's backlit with a red LED right now?
Yeah, red LED. What we're looking at right now, that's the German key layout, I guess. Yeah, it is. We will probably launch it in US, UK, German, French, Scandinavian layout to start with, and then we'll pull up more as soon as we open up markets.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let's look at some of your other different ones then.
Yeah. What can we tell you about this keyboard? Design-wise, yeah, we have a wrist rest. We have a rubber coating,
Nkey
braided
rollover?
cable. Yeah, it's a full Nkey rollover over USB. Yeah, we have a small USB port here, two ports, 2.0.
Okay.
They are the only pass through. They're not. How do you say? They're not. There's not power supply. You can't charge your phone, right?
Okay, so it's not powered. It's just a pass through. Okay.
Yeah,
that's fine.
We have tested it. It works pretty good with mouse, but we recommend you to not use them for your mouse. Obviously, you know why. And we have this one is enforced. And we can set. You can set the individual turn on and off the illumination for each key. We have some software features as well. We have 5 profiles, handle macros. You can reassign the buttons. What else can we tell about this?
Which layout is this one?
You're putting me on proof here.
It looks European to me.
It's European.
It's got dots. Whoops. Oh, a little bit there. Yeah, it's got the dots.
I'm not really sure, actually. I'm not really sure which layout it is.
It is a European of some sort layout. Yeah. That's fine.
Yeah. One thing that we are pretty proud of is actually that we pulled out the clips for the hand wrist, as you can see here. So when you smash your keyboard, when you get angry of some reason, I don't know, they might break, you know. I think everybody has experienced this sometime. And what we have here is like the clip is a single part that we can replace you with, like in an envelope. You can have a new clips in like 2 days.
Oh, yeah, I've had several keyboards that, especially like the feet.
Yeah.
Will break.
I think I have to mention also that this is a prototype we're looking at. So there might be a couple of aesthetical differences between this one and the actual finished product.
That's awesome. We love prototypes.
Yeah. Okay. We just got visited here by a Razer marketing guy.
Oh.
He was sneaking up on us.
Razer. Func.
Func is better.
Shall we go look at the last one over there?
Yeah. And if I'm not wrong, this is the UK layout, I think.
I know there's lots of people looking for the UK layout. It's not as easy to find as the USA, but you will be coming out with the USA layout.
Yeah, a proper US layout, yes.
Soon.
Yes. We have it here somewhere. Well, I think it's up in the meeting room. We have a meeting room upstairs
okay,
as well.
Okay.
Yeah. This one will be available at the end of July. So hopefully we will kick it off. We will have it available on Newegg and NCIX for you guys in the US. And it will be available for $99 MSRP.
Okay.
So I think that the price is quite good, and that's what we're trying to make the difference here. We're trying to price this product pretty aggressively. I think normally you will find mechanical keyboards at slightly like $10-20 over.
Oh, okay.
I'm not really updated on all prices right now, but
do you know who's carrying it in the UK? Like if one of my UK listeners wants to get it?
I think we will see that Scan, definitely.
Okay, so
yeah.
the usual retails in the UK.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what we're looking at.
Do you want to tell me about the mouse there?
Yeah, this mouse was actually launched in January. It carries a Vago 9500 sensor. I mean, the shape is quite unique. I mean, you have a full palm support for your hand. What can we say about it? I mean, it's a typical form that either you love it or either you hate it. I mean,
I actually tried it out, and it is a big mouse, but it fit my hand quite nice. I was slightly surprised. I don't usually go for a big mouse, but that one definitely had a nice feel to it for me.
Okay.
I know everyone needs to try out a mouse. Everyone's hand is different.
Yeah.
But if you like a nice big mouse with a bit more contoured, that would be a good choice to look at.
Yeah.
And how about the headset?
Yeah, we're actually launching a headset at this fair as well. This is our first headset. It's a stereo headset, analog with 3.5mm connectors. Some small features I can mention here is that cables are detachable, microphone is detachable. They're also actually switchable. So if you want the microphone on the other side, just go ahead.
That is a nice feature.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing.
We're not going for a regular volume control on the cord. We actually put the volume control here, and you have the mute button directly here on the mic boom. It's equipped with velour ear pads. Those are replaceable, and you can wash them.
Ooh.
Yep. It's an enclosed design, so it takes away a little bit of the background noise, and you won't disturb your.
When you walk around it.
No.
It's a nice look to it.
Yeah, this will come out in late August, September. We still have a couple of things to do with it. It's a prototype as well. Yeah. What can I say more about it? Price, of course. Price. $79.95. That's the MSRP we're thinking about this one. So I'm actually I want to show you a little bit about the durability of this headset because we are very proud of it. Right now we are testing this. We'll have around 1 month of testings to actually see that it will not break for you. We are expecting this to hold at least 3+ years, and it's, as you can see here, it's pretty durable actually. So this is one of the methods we are using to test this headset. We're pulling this cable out and in. We're dropping the headset in the cable. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff that really make sure that it's going to hold.
All right. Yeah. So that's Kip 69 here, and as usual, I've been using them myself the whole time, and this is a very comfortable cup on here. So and the washable factor, I know that's a key for me. I got so I'm liking these headsets myself. So Kip 69 here at overclock.net coverage of Computex 2013. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.